afternoon, viewers at home. You are on to Mathematics Dr. OJ. In this video, we are studying some of n terms of the geometric progression. Kindly subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. Thank you. Now let's look at a geometric progression whose sum is Sn is equals to a plus ar plus ar squared plus some other values there plus ar raised by n minus 1. Let's call that one equation 1. Okay, now let's multiply through by r. Multiplying equation 1 through by r gives, we have what? Rsn is equal to ar plus ar squared plus ar cubed plus dot 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 and plus arn. Let's call this one equation 2. Now let's now subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2 gives, by the time we introduce subtraction, this will be what? Rsn minus Sn. Now this one will be, ar minus a plus ar squared minus ar. This will cancel this one out. This will cancel this one out. But some of them will cancel out like that. So this one will be left with a only. This one will be left with what? Ar raised by n minus 1. I hope you understand. Okay, let me show you. So it now will be what? Ar minus a, plus this minus this plus ar minus ar squared. So that's how it will go in. This one minus this plus ar squared minus this. I hope you understand. Plus ar squared minus that, because you are starting with the second equation. Ar squared minus ar, and then plus ar squared minus ar squared. I hope you understand. This one minus this ar cubed minus ar squared plus, and so on and so forth until you get to what? Until you get to what? Ar raised by n. This one will have gone to. This one will have gone, because when you say dot dot dot, it means there's other values that are eliminated that. So plus this. Okay. So now this one will go. This one will cancel this one out. This one will go with another one. So it will be only left with what? Rsn minus Sn equals to ar raised by n minus a. That's what we left with. Just take it easy, you get it. So by the time you just say subtract equation 1 from 2, it means you subtract this from this, this from this, this from this, this from this, until you get to the last number. And obviously, this one will be left behind and this one will be left there. Every other number in between will disappear, will be eliminated. So what is common here? Sn, you have what? R minus 1, because Sn is common. Because what is common here? A into, you have R raised by n minus 1. So how to get as Sn? So Xn will be what? Divide both sides by R minus 1. A into R raised by n minus 1 all over R minus 1. That is the sum of nth term of the geometric progression. So now this one could be used. You use this formula when r is greater than 1. Okay. The other side of it is when r is less than 1, you have Sn is a into 1 minus r raised by n all over 1 minus r. You now use this formula anytime your r is less than 1. Please don't forget that. So let's look at an example. Let's quickly look at an example. Example 1. Example 1. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the GP geometric progression 3, 9, 27, 81. Now do we find the first 10 terms? So we now have the solution. Our S10, that is our Xn, is A into r raised power n minus 1 all over r minus 1. Now, how do we get our ratio first so as to know which of the formula we're going to use? R will be what? The second term all over the third term, the first term, or the third term over second term. So R will be 3. So we use this formula. Therefore, we use that formula since R is greater than 1. Since R is greater than 1, since R is greater than 1, we use x, the 10th term, is equal to a, the first term is 3, according to the question, into brackets, our r, which is the common ratio of 3, then raised to power 10, then minus 1, all over 3 minus 1. So x10 is equal to 3 into 3 raised to power 10 minus 1 all over 2. So what is 3 raised to power 10? You can leave the answer like this if you like, and you can get the value of 3 raised to power 10, you evaluate further. So that is that about that. Don't forget to subscribe to my video channel. Thank you. God bless you.